everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review these earphones. These are ACEFIT Pro by ACEFAST, and these just launched at the Kickstarter. So guys, you're so very welcome to go check them out, back them up if you feel like. So they are extra cool because they comes with an LED screen right here. So this LED screen shows you the percentage of the battery of the entire case first of all. Then it shows you the battery charge on each one of the earbuds, and it shows you how much you have left at the left and at the right. Extra cool type of a case. And now the coolest thing about these ones is that they are coming with this like flashing light right here at the ear as you wear them, as well as they are made from a very flexible silicone type of a material. So they are extra comfortable, extra easy to wear, and feels very, very light on the ear. You literally don't really feel them. You just completely forget about them once they are on. They look extra stylish and fashionable, and I got them in this vibrant, like gorgeous purple color, and I am so very much excited about them. So that's the box they arrived in. It's like a hard box, looks extra high quality. I said I will mention that because it's extra cool, and they were just, you know, sitting right here at this box looking gorgeous at me. I looked back at them and we felt in love. They also came with these like really good looking cable. I mean, I usually not even mentioning the like charging cables that the product comes with, but this one looks like truly cool and like extra fashionable. I love this one a lot. Well guys, let's get started with all the tech data and tech review of these earbuds. ACEFIT Pro by ACEFAST. Well, let's get started. So guys, I'm so very excited to review these ACEFIT Pro open ear headphones, and these comes in an extra cool design. So first of all, you have them in 4 different colors: purple, gray, pink, or green. I received mine in green and purple, and the colors are absolutely vibrant. The ACEFIT Pro are equipped with a triple magnet sound unit, which is there to deliver a powerful sound. So it has an 0.5 millimeters of an ultra large amplitude, has 3 magnet super liner speaker built inside. Also, it has a built-in large speaker in a size of 20 on 8 millimeters. It has an open ear design, so the market standard, it's 1 magnet sound units with a smaller amplitude, while the ACEFIT Pro gives you 3 magnet super liner speaker. So it's just literally 3 times better than the industry average. The earbuds are having a night safety mode, which this is the industry leading technology right now, which means that it is breathing lights for enhanced safety. The dual ear floating LED that is located at the very much earbud itself, as well as the case also has breathing lights, and it looks extra cool and futuristic. So on the earbud itself, you have an LED breathing lights, which are offering a high visibility in the dark. And this feature is there to make you more noticeable and secure. Well, imagine a situation, you are out there for a night run. I don't know, you like to run in the evenings, and it's truly dark outside. Like, you won't believe how dark my neighborhood is during the nighttime. And while you're running, minding your business, but you need to be visible to the drivers, right? Because that's for your safety. So here is where the LED breathing lights of these earbuds comes to the work. They are breathing LED lights as you go, as you run, or maybe it can help you to find your earbuds in a dark environment. So all this together, in conclusion, you are gonna be easily spotted, as well as your earbuds can be easily spotted once they are outside of the case. It works with 40 pieces of breathing light matrix for alert precision as well. So as a result, the ACEFIT Pro are visible from a 10-meter of distance, and it has a 3D embossed display. The ACEFIT Pro are also extra lightweight. Their weight is only 7.6 grams, and they are made from a supermolecular liquid silicone, which feels so smooth and nice to the touch. Also, it works with an 0.7 millimeters of a titanium wire ear hook. So as a result, they are extra comfortable and easy to wear, easy to put in, to put out, easy to put them on, easy to take them off, and all these features are above the industry's average. The ACEFAST Pro are working with a smart application as well. So through the ACEFAST app, you are allowed to customize lightning effects, and as well as the smart app offering 8 different lightning settings for the charging case to meet anyone's preferences and personal design and style. The ACEFIT Pro also made in a curved design with a high level of G2 curvature. That's to create a visual
visuality, fluid, and an elegant look. The charging case itself can be charged via Type-C, which the cable is included in the box, and the charging case design draws inspiration from the iconic iMac G3, with a body that presents this smooth, sleek finish for a truly premium luxurious type of a feel. So once they are in your hand, they look absolutely great and feels so nice. They are just feels like high-tech type of earphones, and I absolutely love this design. And I'm definitely a huge fan of the design. Now guys, the ACEFIT Pro is launching on the Kickstarter, so you're very welcome to go check the link down below in the description box of mine to go support them at the Kickstarter.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I truly hope it was helpful. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments to this video of mine. Me personally, I absolutely love these headphones. They feels great on the ear, you know, and I love the open ear style type of headphones, of earbuds, because it is letting you to be aware of your surroundings. And that's especially important for outdoor activities. So if you are like running, jogging, working out with these earbuds by any possible means, that's really important to be aware of your environment, like what's happening around you, because we all know how crazy this world can be, especially if you are jogging at the side of the road or even at the gym, you know. It's really important to be aware of what's going on around. So I absolutely love that. The sound quality, it's great, it's fantastic, and I absolutely love the modern, gorgeous, cute design of these. Love the flashing LEDs right here, and these are touch control as well, so you can absolutely control these earbuds as they are on you on the go with your own hands. These are coming with a smart application, so you can fully customize, control, and be aware of your device, of your earbuds through the smart application that it comes with. So guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check ACEFIT Pro by ACEFAST. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, so you're so very welcome to go support them at the Kickstarter or just literally check them out. Also, if there's gonna be any other information like coupon code, sales, promotions, any other way of saving some money of yours, even a few years from now, I am constantly updating my description box under each one of my videos, so you will always get the most relevant and newest information about the product, links, coupon codes, and so very on. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in the next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.